Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below. And don't forget to press the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. For today's video, we are going to be talking about all things waist training. So I have been waist training for like on and off for about 3 years now. So I know a little bit about waist training and stuff like that. And I know when it comes to waist training, because I have ordered some waist training for like, you know, my mother and like some co-workers and stuff like that. So when it comes to waist training, there's like specific things, or there's specific ones for specific reasons. And I just wanted to make this video just so I can tell you guys the different waist trainers I have and the purposes that I use them for and how I use them and stuff like that. So and also I'm going to be telling you guys how I measure somewhat, yeah, basically how I measure to get like, you know, the right sizes and stuff like that. But yeah, so in total I have 3 different waist trainers that I go basically on and off on. The first one is a corset waist trainer. And then this one is this waist trainer. And then the third one is this one. So I'm gonna start off with the one that I kind of use the most at the moment. So I am gonna be trying this on, so I might have me wearing it on the screen somewhere right here. So basically the one that I have right now, the first one is this one. Now I'll put most of them, because most of them I got these on Amazon, so I'm gonna put their links and everything in the description bar. And if I forget, just comment down in the comment section below and I'll just send you guys the link. But this is how it looks like, and it also has this thing on the side. It's hard to show you guys, but you know what I'm saying. So, and this is how this one looked. This one was about $25, I think. And the main purpose, or how I use this one, is basically this I mainly use for working out. So I say for working out because the way that it's like a little more, it's very sturdy, as you guys can see, because I had this for about a year, I think. Don't quote me, but I think I had this for about a year. And it's still very sturdy. It's a little bit stretchy. It doesn't have any type of boning or anything. So it's basically, I'm not sure what material it is. I'm not sure if it's plastic or not plastic, but I'm not sure what material it is. Oh, it says something about nylon or whatever. But basically I use this one for working out because it's easier for me to move in. And when you are like, you know, working out, you don't want your stomach to be irritated as like you're working out and stuff. So this is very good for that. Not only is it good for like waist training, not waist training, but is it also good for working out, but it also is good for you to just lay around the house as well. Because sometimes I do actually use this just to lay around the house and stuff. So you can use that as well. The way that this one work is, if you do buy this is not something that you can wear like in your clothes, or like to put it underneath clothes and stuff like that. That is not for that. You can put it over your clothes and just wear it throughout the day. But yeah, this one I also wear it at I try to wear it at night a few times. But when I tell you guys, this will like make you have the worst like uncomfortable sleep ever. Like I tried to sleep these, I actually slept in it a few times, but it was a struggle because when I tell you guys, it cuts off your circulations. And I don't really recommend sleeping in your waist trainer because it really like constricts you from breathing and stuff like that. So I wouldn't really like suggest you sleep in it. But like I said, I have some like sometimes, but most of the time I wake up in the middle of the night. Most of the time I wake up in the middle of the night and I actually take it off because it really like I said, constricts your airway. So yeah, so this I mainly use this for working out. So if you're working out, I would highly suggest you use this because it's very sturdy. And as well, like you can wear this around the house when you're not doing much as well. Now for this waist trainer, I've seen there's a lot of different kinds of this one, but this is the one that I got. Again, this one was from Amazon, and I do think this was about like $12 to $18. I'm not sure. And I found that it was not that expensive, because the waist trainers will go up to like $60, $50, $80. So waist trainers are kind of expensive, but for being like around $18 or so, this has been like going strong. So the way that this goes is it has these little things, so it basically has different levels that you can use. You can wear this for different levels and stuff like that. So and basically you clip it. Obviously you start off with the first level, and then the second, the third, and so on and so forth. And basically you can have like a longevity use of this waist trainer. Now for this waist trainer, like I said, I do wear this to just walk around the house, or when I'm not doing anything, when I'm not working out, I would just pop this on just to have it on, because the whole thing about waist training is you need to be consistent. Like when I was being consistent, like, because there's some days, like I said, I was wearing it for 3 years for like on and off, probably longer than that, but I was wearing it on and off. And the times that I was consistent, you can definitely see the change in my stomach, and you'll mainly see it in like your dip area, where like your stomach like dip in. That's when you will mainly see it. So if you guys really want to see results, I would highly suggest, like, even if you're not working out or anything, I would highly suggest you just have it on around the house. Now, like I was saying for the last one, that one is really hard for you to wear underneath clothes. But as for this one, when I tell you guys, if you want an extra like type of like, you know, lift to your either your boobs, or if you have like a little bit of a stomach and you just want it to be like hitting and stuff like that, you can easily just put this on, and then you could put any type of clothing on top of it. Now the only thing I can say is sometimes obviously you will see, excuse me, the little outprint of this, but honestly it's not that big of a deal, because like I said, I do wear this underneath clothes sometimes. Like if you want to run errands and stuff, but you still want to have your waist trainer on, this is when I would grab this waist trainer to just put on. Or if I'm going out and I just want to be snatched a little bit, so I'll probably just, you know, slap it on just so my body can look a little more snatched. Also, like, I honestly would sometimes wear this with just like a sports bra, or just with like regular pants or shorts, because I've seen a lot of people wear it that way. And I also would have just like a regular jacket, because a lot of people just wear these, like, you know, they just wear them as is. So people really don't care. So I feel like it's kind of like a trend to just wear it out like that. But like I said, you can wear this underneath clothes to just go around the house. Again, you can wear this for working out, but this does have somewhat of a still boning inside, as you guys can see. It has some type of still boning. So when I did try working out with this, I did find out like it was very irritating for when I was like moving or doing like stomach exercises and stuff like that. So it kind of constricts you a little bit on that part. That's why I don't necessarily wear this to work out, and I feel like it doesn't compress my stomach as the first one that I showed you guys did. So that the first one, it like basically oh Jesus, the first one basically constricts your stomach, which makes makes me feel like it's doing what it's supposed to. Like, it like stretches. Like, don't get me wrong, this also like is supposed to like, it tightens your stomach and everything, but it doesn't have as much as support and stuff like that as the first one. So that was this one. And the last one that I got to show you guys is this corset looking one. Now I know corsets and stuff like that have been around for like plenty of like yo, what the hell is wrong with my all right, I probably need water or something. But like, corsets has been around for a while now. If you guys look back in time, you know how these females, they used to wear like the corset dresses and stuff like that. So these corsets has been around for a while now. When it comes to this corset, I don't necessarily wear this on like a everyday thing, because like I said, this one is more for when you have like a slim stomach or anything, and you want your stomach to be like snatched in the middle. Like when I tell you this will snatch your stomach, it will literally snatch your stomach. Now This one, I would not recommend you working out with this at all whatsoever, because first off, it has a lot of still boning in it, as you guys can see from the insides and everything. It has a lot of still boning, so it really is hard for you to work out in it, first off. And second off, like it has like this thing in the back where you basically have to like go in the back and like tie it up and stuff. But overall, like I said, I did try working out in it at home for a while. It was horrible. Like I really could not move. But one thing I would say about this, and actually most of the waist trainer, but specifically this, they will help with your posture. Like it will literally make you sit up like more straighter, if that makes sense. So it basically helps your posture as well. So not only is it helping your stomach, but it's also helping you, like, you know, have proper posture and stuff. Now for this, I have worn this underneath clothes before. I have worn it underneath clothes before, but again, like this will show, like its outprint will show like if you are wearing a tight clothing, and sometimes even the back. So if you don't care about that, then go ahead and you can wear it, because I necessarily don't care. But if you do care about like people like seeing that you're wearing this, then I wouldn't suggest you wear it underneath clothes, because people are gonna tell that you have something underneath and everything. But this, like I said, I do wear this for when like I want that extra like my inches to like snap. Like I did consistently wear this for a while, and I think I actually lost like 2 to 3 inches off my waist, which was like amazing. Like I said, you have to be consistent. None of these things will not work unless you're being consistent, and they will work even better if you do work out. So I would highly suggest you actually work out while you're waist training, because it's gonna help you shed the thing off your waist even faster. But I really love this one, because even without it, like even without the thing, it just gives you that nice hourglass shape. And honestly, like I said, if you're consistent, it will be like perfect. Also, one more thing, back to the first one, this one is I love this, because even though it gets a little bit bigger, the fact that you have these, the butterfly wing things, you can continue going, making it tighter for your waist to still be snatched, even though it's a little bit bigger, because the fact that you can still close it up like this and make it tighter. So I really like that for that. So you will have this for a while. And then like as for like measurements and stuff like that, how I go about it is I go by the size of my shirt. And right now I kind of right now we're between like a small to a medium, and a medium is pushing it. But for right now, I think I'm like in between a small or a medium. So when it comes to those, I just always make sure that I measure the 3 sections of my stomach, which is first this part right here. Then I go in the middle where you have the little dent inside your stomach, and then the last part I will go underneath my stomach. Now with those measurements, it makes it more easier for you to actually choose the perfect size for your waist trainer. Again, it's, if you're not struggling to get into these waist trainers, you either got it way too big or you got it way too small, because you want to be struggling to get into it. Because if it's too easy to get into, it's not gonna do its job, and it's not gonna compress your stomach to get smaller. So you getting the size, like it plays a role in you actually getting results, along with being consistent. So like I said, I kind of go off by like my shirt size, and most of these are either in smalls or mediums. Let me check. This one is small. This one. Okay, so all of these are actually in smalls, because like I said, I do wear a size small shirt, so it will typically go with like your body shape and stuff like that. And these it kind of like those eventually you are gonna like lose weight if you are consistent and you are working out with it and everything. You're eventually gonna have to like start sizing down. Like as you guys can see, I am in a small. I'm gonna eventually have to go to like a extra small, and I'm not sure if I've seen an extra small in any of these before, but I'm pretty sure they do have it in them. So basically, the more you lose weight and stuff and off your inches and stuff, the more you you would have to purchase a new waist trainer. Now for some of them, you can actually a quick tip to save money, you actually can go to a seamstress, have them, like, you know, take it in. They can take it in and sew it to make it smaller, and you could actually save money that way by just sewing it on the inside and just making it smaller. So that's a little tip if you guys want to save some coins. But that's kind of it. If you guys do like waist training, like, let me know in the comments down below, like, has it worked for you? Is it something that is like very, like, not, because I know it does produce results, but like, is this something that you've done consistently and you've seen results and shit like that? So let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful in some type of way. If it was helpful, give me a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button that's down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.